Hello, and today we are going to be upgrading the useless scissors in the Leatherman ARC. Now, I've had this from new, and the scissors have been rubbish from new. Let me just show you what I mean. Cuts through paper and stuff like that, okay, but I'll show you a bit of paracord. Not good. So it was a while back, I was playing around with the DAKOYU fan exclusive, which is very similar architecture to the Free series, and I noticed that the scissors were just phenomenal. Let me just show you. I mean, they're just awesome, no problems whatsoever. And I just thought, I wonder if they'd fit in the ARC. As you can see, all looks pretty similar. So I reached out to Dawson from DAKOYU Tools, DAKOYU, and see if I could buy some spare scissors and try it. So I've been sent a pair. Now, these scissors, if you just have a look, compare them, they're a lot bigger than the Leatherman version. So that was a bit of a concern, because I thought, oh no, are they, the length of them, they're obviously a lot longer, are they going to fit? Well, if you look at the Leatherman, there's loads of gap for the length of it, so I reckon they'll be okay. So here we go, I'm going to change them over. I have a T9 in here, and I'm going to undo it. Now, I've had this ARC apart a few times, so what I've done, I'll show you in a moment. Let me just take this screw out. Okay. Okay. Now, there's a screw on one side, and this is a post that goes all the way through. Now, it's sometimes easy just to poke that post through and put the post screw, if that makes any sense, on the other side. If you're sort of playing with particular things. Now, I had these scissors out before to try and sharpen them, and it was a bit of a pain because I had to pull the post out from this side and all these other tools got loose, so I swapped it round, knowing that I will be replacing the scissors in this. So it's easy to do, just make sure that you use something long and follow all the way through to keep all the tools in place. But once you've got it how you like, I'll just zoom in a little bit for you. I find this the easiest way. Don't bother pulling this out. Just open out the pliers, and you can literally pull the scales up and over like so, and then you expose the scissors. Okay. So if we take the scissors out, there's a washer there. Oh, hang on, I'll zoom out again so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so there's a washer there. Where are you there? Okay. So that's the old set. Get rid of those. And this is the new set, the DAKOYU set. So I'll just line these up. You've got like a detent. You can't get this wrong. You can't, if you did get it wrong, it'd look like this. So it only goes in one way, like that. Okay. And then if we place it back on there. Okay. And don't forget the washer. It's on top. Then you just pull the scale. This is all going to pop out, isn't it? I'm not having much luck with these today, I tell you. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's put this back on. There we go. Let me just show you what this looks like in here. So this bit just got literally, it goes into that pivot hole there, like that. And then I should stop doing these videos on taking things apart, shouldn't I? Because I seem to struggle doing it. Right. Okay, and there we go. It's not quite aligned, that hole, so see if I can just make sure everything else is okay. Actually looks all right. So then we get our screw, and we put it in. Come on. There we go. Okay. Make sure that works. Yeah, is it working? Make sure that goes in. And it's a bit stiff actually, so I'm going to slightly back these off. Doesn't require a lot. That's probably enough. Yeah, that's much better. They'll need a bit of breaking in. Let's try. Haha. I've got decent scissors finally in the ARC. And look at that, perfect fit. Still loads of room in the ARC. I think that is right. Just making sure. There you go. How cool is that? Nice, simple little mod. Thanks for watching.